Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Mi 11i, and today I'll show you how you can find sound settings in this smartphone. So at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down and go for the sounds and vibration. It's right here. And as you can see here we got the couple things. For example, we can change the media volume, ringtone volume, the alarm. We can also change sound settings. Oh, let's mute this. Sound assistant settings. We got silent mode, do not disturb mode. We got schedule turn on all the time, the do not disturb mode. Vibrations, haptic feedback, or also additional settings like daylight sound or screenshot sound. So basically you can find here a lot of things that you can set up. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.